Create the three-dimensional art with ease. These are the best 3D pens for adults and children. So stick to the video till the end and comment in the comment section which 3D pen are you excited for. For all the 3D pens, I have provided the link in the description. Mint 3D Super 3D Pen. This 3D pen is great value option in our opinion, and it's similar to the Mint 3D Pro model. It features the same gearbox and replaceable nozzle design as its sibling, but without an OLED display or temperature control. This model has a temperature screw instead that lets you switch between ABS and PLA filament. Buy this amazing pen for its great affordable price and great working. Links are provided in the description. 3 Doodler Pro Plus. As the name suggests, the new 3 Doodler Pro Plus is a top choice for pros. This stylish and feature-packed pen can not only draw with the ABS materials but also metal, wood and copper. It features an impressive number of features including a variable dial that enables you to control temperature. Scrier Advanced 3D Printing Pen. One of the most premium 3D pens on the market, the Scrier Advanced model comes with everything you need to elevate your handheld printing to the next level. It has a large LCD screen to help monitor heat and other crucial settings at all times, and each element can be adjusted by fine increments for a precise print. 3 Doodler Create Plus. Our top pick for beginners is the 3 Doodler Create Plus. This 3D pen has beautifully ergonomic design and it's super easy to use even for the first timers. Mint 3D Pro 3D Printing Pen. Overall the best 3D. We think the super flexible Mint 3D Pen Pro is the best 3D pen overall for both teens and adults. It's lightweight and ergonomic for a comfy grip, while easy to hold for smaller hands, and you can adjust the filament's speed and flow for optimal control. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.